Wonderful wife with that big smile. And we're getting ready for Wednesday night market here in Santa Rosa, the May the 14th. May the 14th here in Santa Rosa, 5 p.m. And so we're at the Bethlehem Towers getting all our props ready. And what we got there?
We have a baby bird that we're going to have flying around.
Fantastic. Yeah, I've got some other things here to share also. Look at this, honey. We got some other birds here we've been getting ready for props. And wow, look what we got down here at the table.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at this. And we got, so Wednesday night market at 5 p.m., May the 14th. And over here is actually the poster that we will have in display there at the Wednesday night market. And last Wednesday we had a lot of people do photos and videos. So this is a promotion that the production will be a go, and we enjoy what we're doing. So anyway, I'm sure a lot of people will see this video and the fancy touches that my wife does on these birds. So honey, have anything to say about this production? Nothing? Hello?
Hello?
To say?
Oh, yes, it's beautiful. We're going to have the birds, the baby birds, mommy birds, daddy bird, and all.
And who are you portraying? You're portraying who?
Tippy Hendren.
And you're the actress. All right. And yes, Dan Bighaus. I will be portraying, you guess who? Mr. Alfred Hitchcock. So we hope to have everybody that can make it down to Wednesday night market to see our display and poster. All right. Enjoy this video. Bye.
Bye.
Where's that bird that you picked up? There we go. Lift it up. The bird that you were actually, there we go. Fantastic. Yeah. There.